What's up everyone, welcome back to another tech review video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your file explorer to open this PC instead of quick access. So if you go into file explorer now, by default, let me maximize this. By default, as you can see, it opened the quick access section, which means you got all the folders and the recent file you have opened. So if you want to change this to this PC, so most of the people, if you open a file explorer and it will go to this PC and go to the hard drive they want, then find the file and open the file. So what you need to do is, to change this, go to these three dots which says see more, click on it, go to options. In here, in the general tab, you can see open file explorer 2, and in this drop down choose this PC. Now if you apply and click OK, and I'm gonna close this window and I'm gonna open the file explorer again, you can see it's opened this PC section. So that's how you change your file explorer to open this PC. That's it for today's video. See you next time with another video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.